guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amelia Hardworking. Welcome all, and if you're new here, please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit that notification bell. And if you're the returning subscriber, thank you so much. I'm so excited, so happy, guys. So here in Kenya, it's morning. So good morning, Kenyans, and all the country, out of the country. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on which time you are right now. And guys, it's early morning. It's already 7 a.m. And I just want to start doing laundry, okay? And guys, guess what? I'm doing today laundry using a machine. Yeah, and that's my first time, and I'm so excited, so happy. And guys, I just want to take you along, and I'm in the new room, and this room I have never taken you to in, and yeah, so I'm going to show you around, and it's too dirty, so I have to do laundries. After that, I'm going to start cleaning this room. I have to clean this room, and guys, that is it, okay? Today I don't have much to say, but what I have to do right now is, yeah, take you along for what I'm going to do right now, but this is just a short video, not long video, okay? And remember to tell me what you think about this video. Just comment, like, share, please just like my video. And when you're watching my video, watch until the end because good things are coming. Yeah, and please subscribe. I'm on the road to 1000 subscribers, and guys, let's support each other. Support this girl Amelia, and let me hit that 1000 subscribers because that's what I want. Yeah, and I really appreciate for those who are coming back. Please, thank you so much. Never take your support for granted. I will do my best to make you guys proud. When you support me, I have to do my best to make you proud. Yeah, and guys, thank you so much. So come with me and watch until the end. Okay? Yeah. So guys, this is the room. Yeah, this is the room, and you can see this is just a small room. You can see, and it's dirty a bit. I'm going to finish all the mess. Yeah, so this is the room. I have never entered here to show you how this room looks like. And yeah, this is books, Tiffany's books, Karina's sister, elder sister. And guys, this is clothes. Not clothes, sorry. This is curtains. Actually, this is curtains. Yeah, they are here. We washed these curtains uh, using the machine. We used the machine, and then we decided to put here. So I'll find a time whereby I'll be folding them and keep them somewhere. Yeah, and this is, yeah, do I say it? Let me keep quiet. Yeah, so guys, that's a chair. That's chair, and you can see this is bed. This is bed, but it's not good. Yeah, maybe they'll give it to someone. Maybe someone who doesn't have a bed. They will give it to someone who doesn't have a bed. And here we have luggages. These luggages, guys, I can't open them because it doesn't belong to me. They belongs to my boss. Yeah, and this was, you can see, guys, this is glasses, and this was someone's birthday, and yeah, we have some boxes here. Yeah, these just boxes whereby they brought someone's gift for the birthday. Yeah, and yeah, we have another handbag there. Yeah, guys, this is a big room. It's not that small. It's big because a bed can fit inside here. Yeah, chair can fit inside here in the table. And yeah, if someone wants to study, you can study from here. And guys, let me tell you, you can see that room. Yeah, after this room, you can see the other room here, and you can see I have my clothes here. This is cloth, dirty clothes here. And for this dirty clothes, guys, I'm going to wash with this machine, guys. This is so amazing. This is amazing, and I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy. And guys, you can see, wow, oh my goodness, this is so exciting. Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah, and I will be using that area. That's what I'm going to use. And yeah, so guys, actually, guys, this is a toilet. This is this room. It's a toilet. We have a toilet here, but now no one is using it because this room is always closed. Yeah, this room is always closed, so no one is using this toilet. So they decided, because the room is too small, they decided to put the machine here, and it's safe here. You see, and we have tap of water here. Yeah, we have tap of water. Yeah, and where to connect the pipe, you can see down there. Yeah, and the pipe fetch water inside here, guys. You can see. Yeah, this is where we do laundries. Not me, my boss, but I always show you how I do laundries, guys. I always use my hands. But today, I'm going to use this machine. Yeah. I'm not using it for my conscience. Yeah, they told me to use it, so I'm going to do so. Yeah, and guys, this room is really dirty because it's always closed. This room is always closed. And you know, guys, a place where it's always closed, it can't be clean. There is no way that that place can be clean. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to do laundries first, and after doing laundry, so that I can clean from that corner inside there, I clean from that place until this place, so that it can stay clean. So guys, can we do it? Oh my goodness. Yeah. Let me connect this water first. Oh my god. And it's too far, guys. It's too far. Yes. And then I don't know where to put this camera, guys. Can I set it here because I need to see what I'm doing? Yeah, I need to see what I'm doing because, and guys, you can see have another, those clothes out there. Those are the light cloth. Those are light cloth. I don't want to waste time putting it inside the machine, and I have to. These are the strong cloth. They are too strong, you know. And so I have to wash this using the machine because we have sweaters, a lot of them, sweaters, jackets inside here, and those are the only light cloth, and they are like whitish, and I have to wash them by my hands, okay? Yeah. I always wash, and I'm always happy. Romeo, shh. See this, Romeo. I'm always happy using my hands washing clothes because I'm used to it. So those I'm going to use my hands, and let me wash this by machine. So I'm looking for the place where to set a camera, and guys, let me show you something here. Hey guys, you see this? Look at this. This is dog shampoo. You can see dog shampoo. This is shampoo for the Romeo hair. You know, guys, Romeo, Romeo always take shower, you know. Yeah, so this is its shampoo, Romeo's shampoo. And you can see it's for the dog. See that dog? Yeah. So you can see how it looks, the color, how it looks. So guys, let me put it here, and it was behind here. Romeo always takes shower on Saturday and Wednesday. Wednesday and Saturday. Yeah. Wednesday and Saturday. He always takes shower. Yeah. So guys, one of the big problem here is a place where to put this camera. I just want to show you what I'm doing. So guys, I have already started, so yeah, that is it. So guys, I have already started, so yeah, that is it. Oh my god, guys, you can see what I'm doing? Yeah, I'm trying to wipe this machine until it's clean. And guys, I have a lot to do. Yeah, after cleaning this machine, I have to clean the room. Yeah, and also the floor. The floor also. So guys, stay tuned and yeah, be connected to my YouTube channel and watch my videos, and remember to watch the other videos until the end. I am really excited and I'm so grateful. So guys, I'll never take that for granted. You know, your support means a lot to me. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, this girl here is trying to remove some dusty. Yeah, and this window is too dusty. It has so much dusty, and yeah, I have to wipe it so that it can be cleaned. Yeah. So guys, I need your support, and I need God first, and then I need your support. Please, let's hold our hands and support each other. Let's hold our hands and on the road to 1000 subscribers, and I know when I'm with you guys, I'm going to hit that 1000 subscriber. I know I have a lot of people are watching and they are not even commenting, they are not even subscribing. Guys, remember when you watch, remember to say something. Let me know what you think about this video, and uh subscribe so that I can hit that 1000 subscribers. If you don't subscribe, I don't think if I'm going to hit 1000 subscribers because of uh, you watching and then you go away without subscribing. Guys, please do what it's needful, okay? And for those who have already subscribed, I really thank you guys and may God bless you. I don't know if you can hear me well. My voice is not that good. Yeah. So thank you guys. Watch my videos until the end. Yeah. You know this room is too dark because it has been long since they opened this room so that I can wash. I don't even remember the last time I washed this room. Yeah, I don't even remember. So guys, please subscribe. Let us do it, okay? Yeah. So thank you guys, and I love you guys, and you are my family, okay? Thank you. So guys, I'm done. Thank you so much.